as you expect here, it's very dusty and also noisy, but it's rare for you to see the original dust. However, later as we go inside, for sure you'll get to see and expect some concrete nails, some parts or artworks. This is because the flatbed is not finished yet, and also the concrete nails that we use there are fixed at the temporary. It's not a temple. Okay, I repeat, it's not a temple, it's
something for you, okay? I'll give you something then that you can have inside first. Okay, so.
Alright, thank you. Want us to get a job to ensure that the future of the children. So we're all into this hall. It only reminds us about. However, family is not only by blood or by logical. Family can also be by heart. Our friends, all friends,
a charging house so we can catch adding.
However, what he left for humanity are the good teachings, philosophy, and goodness that we can live on up to this day. Later, if you want to ask some blessings, pay respect, like what locals do, or just go up, take photos and videos, and to look at the relics of the Buddha, feel free to do so. But please remove your footwear. Not speak that, therefore, how our life must proceed. So actually, it depends get that over our own lives. We created and revealed and have a system unique. However, over here, these are actually examples of great individuals who have been